Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to add a rounded corners to a video in DaVinci Resolve in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, add the clip to your timeline that you want to round the corners of. Then to see if the corners are better, open the inspector and slightly zoom out your clip. Next, select the clip and go to Fusion tab, where we'll apply the effect. Then, click the rectangle tool from the toolbar and your video will appear cropped. But don't worry, you can adjust the edges to bring it to original shape. Then to round the corners, go to Control Panel and scroll down to Corner Radius. Increase the value until you're happy with the effect. And that's it. You've successfully added a rounded corners to your video in DaVinci Resolve. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching.